What's going on, everybody? Dev here. I was setting up Swiss for my Gamecube and had kind of a hard time gathering info on how to utilize cheats. I figured I would put together a video explaining that process just in case anyone got stuck like me. We'll start by creating a folder in the root of your SD card where the Swiss boot ISO is located. So do new folder, and the name of that folder is just going to be cheats. Plain and simple. Now for the actual cheats themselves. In the description, I've linked a download which contains a whole bunch of cheats already set up in the necessary format needed for Swiss to recognize them. So we're going to go into that folder right here. And as you can see, the text files don't actually show what the game is until you go into the file and check it out. So if we go to this one here, we can see, okay, Biohazard Special Edition. So where do these file names come from? Well, there's a program called GCTool that will give us the necessary information. So we'll open up GCTool, and we'll go up to File, open the GCISO, and you want to change the file type to all files, and just grab one of your Gamecube ISOs. For this one, we're going to be using Resident Evil. Open that up, and it will populate the information. Now for the text file information. You're going to take the 4 characters in the middle of the serial, and the last 2 numbers in the maker code section. So here I've got the NTSC version of Resident Evil, and the code for that text file is going to be GBIE, which is right here, 08. I'm going to create a new text document and name that GBIE 08. So there we go, new text document, GBIE 08. And there we go. Now, there is some formatting that needs to be done at this point, so feel free to refer to one of the files that are already completed. I'm going to open up this one. So here we've coincidentally got the PAL version of Resident Evil. So I'm going to copy this here. This is GBIP 08. We'll close that. We'll go to GBIE 08. And just feel free to copy that over and then just rename it. So we'll just replace the P with the E. Now we have our GBIE 08. And I'll just call this the NTSC version. Now, when looking for cheats, you're going to want to look for cheats in the WeRD format, not your typical action replay format. So for this video, I'm going to use geckocodes.org just because I'm already familiar with it, but you may be able to find an alternative source. So we're already in here. We're going to throw Resident Evil in the search right here. Search that. And here we go. So here we've got GBIE 08. So we're going to click on that one, and all you have to do is just copy the codes over. So we'll do infinite ammo, all weapons for this one. Copy that, throw that in there, and I'll do infinite health. Copy that, throw that in there. So we'll save that, rid of that, close that. And now we'll move that file onto our SD card. So head to the SD card, into cheats, which is in the root, GBIE 08, copy that over. And now we'll head over to the Gamecube. So now we've booted into Swiss. You can go here to the cheats folder. As you can see, we got the file here, GBIE 08. We'll head back out, head down to Resident Evil, and we'll select the game. Press the Y button to select the cheats, and we can see here I've got infinite ammo and I've got infinite health. Press B to return. Now, this is for the more neurotic of us. If you press the Y button again to go back into cheats, you can see that they've been deselected. Don't worry, when you select the cheats, once you exit out of here, they are selected. For some reason, when you go back in the cheats menu, it just starts them by default unselected. But if you just select both of them, press B, boot the game up. Trust me, they'll be there. I was quite paranoid myself. I don't know why. All right, so if you go in the menu, as you can see, I have the handgun. We've got 15 bullets in there. Head out. Shoot my gun. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You get the gist. Go back. Still got 15 bullets in there. So there we go. And that's how you set up cheats for Swiss. So that'll do it for this one. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions or just want to chat. If you liked the video, hit that subscribe and the thumbs up. If you didn't, hit the thumbs down twice. But anyway, this is Digital Dev signing off, and I'll catch y'all on the next one. Peace.